Munnar, a hidden gem in Kerala, is calling me. Nestled in the Western Ghats, it's a paradise at 1,600 meters above sea level. Endless tea plantations and misty hills? Count me in. They say it's the Kashmir of South India. I can't wait to see why. Day 1. Arrived at this stunning hill station and I'm already in love. Exploring Eraviculam National Park, home to the rare Nilgiri Dar. Matupeti Dam is breathtaking and the views are unreal. Day 3. Chasing waterfalls at Atukal and Lakam. Pure magic. The cool climate and fragrant spice gardens are a dream come true. Munnar is truly a perfect retreat for nature lovers like me.